All right, everybody, I want to show you how to get into Tinkercad and give you a sense of what we're going to do here. So this is off of the our math class Google Classroom page. You're going to click on Tinkercad, that link right there. It says log in using your ECS credentials, and then go over to Schoology for more instructions. So you'll get something that looks like this. And you can see that some of these things that we have started here, or I have started here, are those rectangular prisms that we've been studying. We've been studying volume. So that's really where we're headed with this. But today, it's all about Tinkercad. So what I need you to do, probably when you logged in, it is asking you to log in with your ECS credentials, and you'll have to click your email. And then you might have to click allow a couple of times in order to get in there. And then what I need you to do is you won't have these. Those are just from when I was messing around. You are going to go over to Learn, and then you might need to click Starters to see these 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 3 more after that. So you might need to click Starters, or they might just already be there, but that's what we're doing. You're doing these starter activities in order to learn how to use Tinkercad, so that then tomorrow we can make something kind of cool. So you'll actually need to do, since I need you to do 7 activities today, it's going to be these 4, and then if you click on See All Starters, there will be all 7. So you're going to place it, view it, move it, rotate it, size it up, group it, and align it. So you're going to try every one, or you're going to complete every one of those activities. And just to give you a sense of what it looks like, and again, you'll do this over in Schoology, but to give you a sense of what it looks like, you click on the Place It activity, and each one has just a little bit of instruction over on the left. Yours won't. This shows that it's done, so that's what I already did that. So go back here. All right. So Place It. Welcome to Tinkercad. We are excited to have you with us. Tinkercad is used to build all types of creations by adding and removing shapes from the design workspace. Let's add a shape to the work plane now. You see instructions down here on the bottom left. See the orange shape on the work plane? This is a hint. Hints help guide you as you get started. Find the box shape in the Shapes panel on the right. So that's your box shape. Left click and drag the box shape to the hint on the work plane. Continue to the next step. So left click is just the normal 1-finger click they're talking about with a mouse, but I set it on there. Continue to the next step. So I'm not going to mess around with this right now. And so now I get these stars, and I'm going to take a picture of my whole page. And having the stars in there is extra good, but not necessary. And if I take a screenshot of this whole page, it's going to show that it has the "you did it, great work" part. And so I'll know that it's done. And what you're going to wind up doing actually is putting that screenshot into Schoology for question number 1. And then you'll move on. So this is done. And you move on to view it. So then this will be number 2, or this is number 2 in Schoology. Again, since I already did it, it says that I'm already done. So you won't have that. Okay, so I'll follow the instructions over on the left here. And then I'll click Next until I get to the spot where the stars are bouncing out of there. And I'll know that it's done. All right. Take a screenshot, submit it as number 2 in Schoology, and so on. And you'll see that in Schoology, how it's sitting there. Okay, good luck.